Hey, Jay Anderson with Anderson Log Solutions. Hey, I just wanted to do a quick little video on what it's required to manufacture concrete logs. And so today I'm just going to give you a quick, just a little demonstration of how we go through the process here at Anderson Log Solutions. When you buy a set of molds from Anderson Log Solutions, this is the way they're going to come. They're all in individual boxes. And so the molds are inside of there, they fit in there. So first of all, what we do is we've got them on tables. So we bring them up here to the vibrating table. So you slide your mold onto the vibrating table. You've got your mixer over here that you're mixing your concrete in. Put it into a wheelbarrow, bring it over here, take the concrete out of the wheelbarrow, put it into the mold, vibrate it out so everything's good. Move it out of the way. Bring your next table up. And then we're just going to slide the full mold off onto this table. And then we're going to just keep rotating them off from the one table onto the next. Then we take them over and we stage them for 24 hours. That way we're able to strip them every 24 hours. But that's how simple it is to be able to do this. We've got a 40 by 40 garage, concrete floor in here so we can rotate the tables around. We mix each batch in a small mixer, and like I say, we just use a wheelbarrow to bring it over, put it on the vibrating table, vibrate them out, and that's as easy as what it gets. If you've got any questions, contact us at Anderson Log Solutions, and we'll help you in any way we can. Thanks, and have a blessed day.